Hello, I'm Dr. Hong, G Clinic Seoul, Korea, and thank you for joining me. And today we'll talk about laser skin resurfacing. So basically, using some kind of energy such as laser or microneedle or radio frequency, it will make microscopic holes to the skin. So we're doing some deliberate damage to the skin. And once the skin gets damaged, it will speed up the regeneration process. And when the skin regenerates, it will make the skin more firmer and more tight, and the general texture will be much improved. So this procedure would be good for skin with some damage such as acne scars or fine wrinkles or deep wrinkles. So basically, laser resurfacing, when we were to resurface the desk, we would sand it. Basically, same for the face skin, we would scrape off the top layer of the skin and wait for the skin to regenerate and get better. The procedure itself will take about an hour for preparation, procedure, and aftercare. And after the procedure, your skin will be a little bit reddish and a little bit swollen for 1 or 2 days. And you should take care of the skin by putting lots of moisturizing cream and sunscreen when you go outside. It will rejuvenate the skin, and the skin will become much more firmer, cleaner, and the acne scars or the wrinkles will be improved. It does involve a little bit of pain, but that can be dealt with surface numbing cream. So the procedure is doable. Please visit our website at gcleankorea.com, and you can leave your comments and schedule an appointment. And I look forward to seeing you here in Korea.
Visit our website to see many more of the procedures we offer. Drop us an email to set your own free, private consultation today. G Clinic Healing Square, bringing out your inner beauty.